Ama akwaba wafreme Addo searching mesro now was subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news.
Later it in upon ni 2 minutes bi e de ama asefa ya adwuma no mfa nyansa nka ho e be boa no application of wisdom is much more needed when it comes to application of law. You see, se papa no or kasa, you could see the bitterness and hatred in him. I say Bema said in the huni ho. Na
and then vazi which we come back no
oh lawyer ni na confess my bread
obi ene na yeri di agro bitterness ni hatred de wo papa ni mo no na MPP na angasa no eduru me bi o mo mfanya ye MPP aban ba MPP aban ni ye bayifo na ye MPP party no aban no be de bayiye be say party no na aban no go opposition na nka aban awawo nipa 167 2016 no mo wu amna ka 88 half wu na nka anya aban ne nye bayiye na ade we o ma e de na party a watimi akokon age 166 di ama na fe party no e de aban ne the party ne coalition na ye lose seats ni nyina na eniema edane bayi wo party no ayi no aban no mu a de party no ebi ni appointment. The appointment of Kissi Agyebeng was fought to the hilt by Kennedy Japan and the likes, and people who knew can ho asem I said that and then they to two near the ama what tamfo and what they actually ufie and ne wabakan no what they are no so obogura ufie no wabakan no what they are no so now hwe sebe ensem a Kissi Agyebeng die ya doesn't make sense to any rational being before. Does it make sense at all? Say we of a special prosecutor who the object and purpose of your office no and they say over corruption and corruption related offenses now investigate no prosecute offenders na wa babejina platform so enipa who na who claim say wo hwehwe no hu no we declare the fugitive, somebody a criminal running away from justice. When we call somebody fugitive, the person is a criminal running away from justice. And before you can pronounce somebody criminal in this country, it has to be done by a court of competent jurisdiction, and not you, the investigator. Inti emrano de adwuma no mfanya nsanto ho. Ebabo ane pa. And enipa no anso wa obi are raiding fie. You've not had the opportunity to investigate the raid, and you did not say in your press conference say raid no who investigate. Then you come out conclusively to say or no the stage that or say it was staged, and it was staged possibly by Oforiata, and nobody, no investigative authority will believe this story, and certainly not OSP. Now, the facts, incontrovertible evidence before everybody in this country, and they say, "Enipa na oko ready fi hono, yehuno, yehu say ofra bemu, yehu say ni din di japa." The leadership of parliament, ejina aban na mu apachew. Enti wonsem na obeka ye nyina fa Oforiata hono. Se miyi entro a wadi e de ato no so ono na ready ni fie ya. Do you expect me to believe others? Yes. Enti na meka say adwuma wo ye no onfa nyansanto ho. Embra, in the application of the law, you need to apply wisdom. Enti ene, do you know what you have done? You have jeopardized the whole case. Because ebetimi abase genuinely the case or there are issues for Oforiata to answer. Assembly to me awo eso yi ne ho ano and obi e di bone so aban mu a nobody will show that person. The person must be made to face the law, of course, but not on the capricious and this whimsical manner. Enye ninsem hunu say so obi a wadi boni bia enfa ne fa mra kwan so onko gina temu anim onya ne ho titi a no onya ne ho atete ya di rekubro be 2009 ekogina mra anim otete ne ho
osaje
e di osaje koy ya di kwadwompiani ko obi okoye bia egina mra so e kire se onifo na wo betimi akase enipa no hwehwe no nhunu nti we fugitive, whereas the facts available indicates say enipa no okra obi e so okra no e wo mamu ansan no wotu kwan okra the former chief of staff owie e watwere krata dia bread the current chief of staff say my finance minister pen ebi anam behia me wasem bi ho me hwehwe me ho yare e wa ha tu hia me a me wo hospital we me number ni me telephone ni me email ni me lawyers nso ni ti asem bi a uhia fa me ho bia
akase ade na oye no wankase busumi nsia afi mfi wo se March
na
2025
uwie ya wo se medical fugitive. Now you see that has been the mode of operation of this OSP, this failed OSP Agyebeng. This has been his mode of operation, playing to the gallery. A man come for who be that? It's our born. Your born a cost and shego and a man come for that's what you see how Bisu Charles Bisu case.
Yeah.
How he was reduced to in court. Because ubetimi aye propaganda wa bontin. You can do the propaganda in ewa bontin. When you go to the court of law, you will be subjected to strict proof, and the onus of proof will lie on you. Now assembly can be any allegation that you make, you prove, and the standard of proof is beyond reasonable doubt. A very high standard. It is okay say will be aye esig na ebi e wo national cathedral ho na nam so amoman na boka e say wutimi kire say ampa wa amoman na boka e wa ahonimu a ono anim sa ade ya miye e de kabeba e no ma aman na boka na enye necessarily taking a decision to build national cathedral, for which reason oman no I spend this car on it and not necessarily am I criminal.
Lawyer Mpacho minya yanka wa repeat last sentence.
So it's not necessarily taking a decision to build something. Say me see jina yesem pese me ya de we. Na enam so na ye spend this car on that. Na say ade no ewie say de say ewie na wo wadwene mu susu say ejina na me see ye na nya jina papa. It doesn't necessarily incriminate me.
So the decision alone doesn't incriminate.
No, not at all. You have to prove bad faith.
Okay.
I see.
I see.
I say decision I'm taking. We have an executive arm of government. We have executive president as country. That the constitution has given unto us, and that constitution vests all the political authority in the president. And the president has delegated some of the powers to others to work with. It will be able to take a decision. And who told you say in decision making, and you're part of governance? Now, say decision making no aka governance way. And until the constitution under Article 296 say who take a decision now say discretionary, you should not do it capriciously. So you need to be able to prove to God that this was capricious. It was in bad faith, and this is the reason for which we are saying this. Enti say ubetina na say what declare no fugitive, and the simple meaning of fugitive is a criminal who is running away from justice. How can you condemn somebody before the person is dead?
Not ordinary.
And under our Article 19 of the Constitution, it provides for fair trial. And one of the elements of fair trial, and it says, you have to hear the person.
Fair hearing.
And the person has a right, which is fundamentally enshrined in our Constitution. Say nipano. The right in they say he is presumed innocent until proven or pleaded guilty. Until that person is proven. And that's how we get me a bonus. We get me a do. I mean, not some no be a who's on par with different. Went me in one. That person is proven, is known to be innocent until otherwise proven.